Do you want to know how much money you can earn through your YouTube channel? Or perhaps snoop through someone else's YouTube channel in a legitimate way? I've been looking for this myself and came across a good YouTube ad revenue calculator. So keep watching. In this video, I will go through the YouTube earnings calculator online. I will use popular channels as examples to show you that it's possible to find out other people's estimated yearly earning using ad revenue calculator YouTube. Then I will answer some questions you might have, like how much money do YouTubers make per subscriber? How much money do YouTubers make per ad and per 1,000 views? Hi, I'm Shamal from promoteYouTubeVideos.com. Let's get started. This YouTube money calculator by Social Blade provides an estimate into what a YouTube channel could make with YouTube. So not only your YouTube channel, you can also check any other channel you like. This YouTube earning calculator gives you an estimate of how much money you could make with YouTube. It takes into account various factors like video view count and engagement to calculate the estimated earnings for a YouTube video or channel. Remember that these figures are YouTube estimated earnings, as there are many mitigating factors which decide what your overall CPM will be. If you're not sure what CPM is, it stands for cost per mille, which is Latin for 1,000. It is a marketing term used to denote the price of 1,000 advertisement impressions on a YouTube video or a page. If a publisher charges $2 CPM, that means an advertiser must pay $2 for every 1,000 impressions of its ad. So how do you find your YouTube channel's CPM? If you head over to your YouTube channel analytics, then go to ad rates, you find your CPM. If your CPM is low, I have some tips for you on how you can increase your channel CPM. So make sure you subscribe. It's a future video that I've already planned. Now let's use this how much money do YouTubers make calculator to find out estimated earnings of some popular YouTubers. Let's check PewDiePie. As a first step, I will enter the channel name and then click import username. Next, this YouTube view earning calculator will give an estimated yearly projection of how much the person earns. PewDiePie, a channel by Flex Shellberg, has over 64 million YouTube subscribers. His channel includes Let's Play videos and commentary videos addressing various topics. Over 5.7 million from YouTube ads alone. Now that's not bad. Here's another YouTube ad revenue calculator that I came across by Influencer Marketing Hub. Let's check another popular YouTube channel by using this YouTube money calculator. Have you heard of Lily Singh? She is Canadian YouTube personality and vlogger. She started creating YouTube videos as a method to help deal with depression. Her channel has received more than 1.3 billion views since it was started back in 2010. Lily apparently gave up her previous plan of getting a master's in psychology and becoming a counselor as her views and mood continue to rise. Her face is now plastered in billboards across Manhattan, and Singh has even appeared on The Tonight Show. Here are some questions that I have got regarding YouTube earnings from my audience. Let's start with the first one. How much does YouTube pay per subscriber? YouTube does not pay per subscriber, it pays for the number of views your video gets. However, the rule of thumb says that more subscribers greater the number of views. This is because whenever you publish a new video, your subscribers will be notified of the same. If someone has subscribed to your channel, it means the person is interested and is viewing your videos. So it's very likely to check out your new video. So even if 10% of your subscribers see your new video, you get views from these 10% subscribers. Apart from those, you are going to get organically from search engines, YouTube search and social media. As for figures, it's not possible to judge the income of a YouTuber from the number of subscribers, as some YouTubers may have few but have very active subscribers. On the other hand, some YouTubers might have bought fake subscribers who won't even check out their own videos. Moving on to the next question. How much does YouTube pay you for 1 million views? YouTube charges its advertisers based on various factors like demography, click-through rate, location of your traffic, and so on. Out of what YouTube earns from advertisers, they pay you 55% and keep the remaining 45% as their commission. However, in general, YouTube pays between $3 to $10. These figures can be higher or lower in some cases. So for 1 million views, YouTube may pay a YouTuber between $3,000 to $10,000. Next question, how many views do I need to get paid on YouTube? YouTube will only pay you when your balance reaches $100. As I mentioned before, you can make between $3 to $10 per 1,000 views. Therefore, to reach $100, you need approximately 10,000 to 34,000 views. How much do YouTubers make per video? The amount a YouTuber makes per video will depend largely on how many views they are getting from their videos. As I mentioned before, for every 1,000 views, you might earn between $3 to $10. If you have any questions yourself, leave a comment below. I reply to all comments, and I might even feature one of your questions in my next video. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a like. I upload videos every Saturday filled with actionable tips to grow your audience and income with video. Make sure you subscribe.